My name is Dr. Bruno Aaron Cisneros de la Cruz. I'm a fellow researcher in Mexico. I have been working there since 10 years ago already. And I did my PhD in France, and most of the other studies I did it in Mexico. And afterwards, I came back to Mexico to pursue my academic career. I work with Artin Groups and Coxeter Groups. It is between geometrical group theory and low-dimensional topology. This is an area that links two of the main areas of abstract mathematics, but really interesting mathematics, because one of them relies on geometry. It works about the space, it works about shapes. And there's a lot of research over there, a lot of applications that can be done by means of the applications of geometry, because geometry appears in all the worlds, in all the matters very naturally. And the other one, topology, low-dimensional topology in particular, have met a lot of interest, mostly in recent years, because they are linked with biology and also with computer science. With computer science, because now they are using topology to analyze like big amount of data, like what it is called the data science. In data science, persistent homology, now it's a really active field of research and production and applications. So, and besides with low-dimensional topology, it is also really applied to DNA and proteins and development of vaccines and all of these kind of things. So, even if we are doing pure mathematics are at the core, at the base of any applied mathematics. For example, in one of the courses that we are given in these lectures that we are sharing with the Pakistan students here in the Abdus Salam Institute of Mathematics, there appears applications to cryptography. So when you see the codes or the protocols that are applied to cryptography, in the core they are quite simple. But once that you put a lot of mathematics beneath them, then they can become really powerful tools in order to make them strong algorithms to protect information. This is what we are watching, this is what we are exploring now in the courses. So, mathematics are really important, both applications, but mostly when we do pure mathematics, such as topology or combinatorial group theory, geometrical group theory, they can reach applications in many ways that we cannot even imagine. On the other hand, I would like to say to the students to pursue an academic path, that they pursue their studies, and when they are doing so, do not limit themselves. When you're a student, sometimes you don't have all the tools to know what is all around, And most of the time, we have a lot of insecurities because we don't have all the information. So in this sense, there are two advices that I want to say to the young people. That is, the first one is, don't be afraid, okay? Please don't be afraid, and whenever you see an opportunity, work hard to get it. So this means if you ever have the opportunity to talk with an academic researcher, a professor that comes from abroad, or you have an opportunity to apply for a fellowship or to do an international stage, apply to it. Don't be afraid. But to apply for it, you will have to work hard. You will have to contact to people, to write, to read, to study, and to use all the means that you can have, meaning your library, meaning the internet, but by now it is a really powerful tool No, you just have to pursue it a lot. You have to work a lot on that way. So, the first advice is don't be afraid. Just try to apply to everything and try to talk to any person, because this will be an opportunity for you to grow. No, this will help you to extend your horizons. Okay. So the second advice that I will tell you is work hard. Of course, work hard. Really, you have to read. You have to do. No. So most of the times you read a lot of theory, but sometimes you stay like with the theory and you say like, yes, I understand what's happening there, but you have to get your hands dirty on the math. No, so do maths. No, to do math is just like is just that. Is try to do some examples to try to know how the theory works, and just by giving a lot of examples and a lot of exercise, you will gain to the real theory. And together with this advice is also take care of yourself, because even if you work really hard, you have to be complete yourself. You have to take care of yourself in order to be able to attain your goals. Okay, so I will finish just by saying that we have been here in the Abdus Salam Institute of Mathematics sharing courses, advanced courses on geometry, topology, and in this last part also with a little application to cryptography. And we have been really happy to share with the students. The students have been really participative. They ask a lot of questions. All of the staff have been really kind with us. They have been really helpful with all our needs. This is a good institute, and it is growing. So it is a really good place to share with the students and to find enthusiastic people willing to do math. So don't hesitate and try to collaborate with this great institute of mathematics. Thank you.